When we think about our great partnerships with Ayers Career College and the technicians that come out of that school, they do a great job of being able to mold them into great technicians. The program has a great curriculum, and they're now reaching our real world.
It's not just a job. It's not just an everyday, like, oh, I'm just gonna go and make some money, right? Like, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna help people and I'm gonna grow, and there's a ladder that you can climb. And so it's really a career path. It's more than just a job.
If anybody's goal, a technician's goal, is to do more, whether it's to promote up to become a lead pharmacy technician within the pharmacy department, or to even expand into a store management position to oversee the entire store, all of those opportunities are available.
They hired me right out of school, so I was like brand new. They took a chance on me, and then I got to know the company and the ins and the outs, and I just love it.
Our patients are counting on us, and our technicians are sometimes the first and the last faces that they see when they walk into the doors of a pharmacy, and that's really the lasting impression that many of our patients have. And when I think about, the students that come out of Ayers and the quality that comes out of that program, those students know exactly how to communicate and connect with those patients, and they're all from here. This is home for them, and this is home for the community, so they're a great impact to our pharmacies here.